Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to create a new project where we'll write in which year we were born, and it will tell approximately how many days we have lived. So okay guys, let's start it by writing. First of all let's write from date time import date. Like from datetime it has to import the date, and then we write print welcome to age calculator. Next let's create a variable birth year equals integer input, enter your birth year. Next let's create a new variable called current year equals date dot today brackets, then dot year. And next let's create a new variable called age equals current year minus birth year. And next days equals age multiplied by 365. And next we would like to print f like you are age years old. And next we like to print f's, and then we write that is days exclamation mark. So okay guys, now let's save it up, let's run it. Okay, so my birth year is 2012. So you are 13 years old. That's 4,745 days. So okay guys, this was all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.